Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am going to teach you how to create ceiling design using Home Design 3D app. One of YouTube users just commented on my recently uploaded interior design video and she asked how did I made the ceiling design with small lights in it. So I will be showing to all of you what are the tricks I have made in order for me to create design. So yeah, first of all, I use geometric shapes in order to create design on every sides of the room. So I'm just going to create a thicker ceiling design. Then for additional design, I will add a circle. So let's just be more artistic whenever we create our house design because you'll never know, we can make it in the future, right? So let's make a plan out of it and be artistic. Then let's just adjust the object altitude, then adjust it a little bit more to match with the rest of the geometric objects. So yeah, let's move on to the most interesting part of this video, wherein I'm going to show you how I did that lights under the ceiling design. And most of the time, these are the light suspensions I am using because it has a bulb. Then right after that, I will use transparent texture in order to hide that white cover. And then adjust it according to how I want. Then I'll just put it inside the geometric shape. Then voila, that's it. That's the trick part of this video. Yeah, I'll just update the texture of the ceiling design. I'll just add more lights on the ceiling design. So yeah, I always use this trick because it's very helpful. And yeah, look at it. That's all I did for the ceiling design and small lights. Then voila! There you have it. I'll just add kitchen furnitures inside of this tutorial, so we can picture out how does it looks like with that ceiling design. just copy the texture of the ceiling design so it matches with the kitchen furnitures. And there you have it. You have such an amazing ceiling design with lights. See, I hope this video helped you a lot in using this app. And if you have more questions regarding Home Design 3D app, don't hesitate to comment down below and I'm happy to answer all of it. So yeah, that's the end of our tutorial video for today. And for more videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel and click the notification bell button. Thank you for watching!